upcoming entrance is gonna look like this. Woo, it's windy. So when you get into the national park, you're gonna see at the entrance the fees to get in. If you're getting a private vehicle, it's $25. Motorcycle is $20. And currently, right now, due to COVID, you can't do the backcountry camping and the horseback riding. So just keep that in mind if you're planning to go on anytime soon. Coming to the White Sands National Park, unlike other parks that you can stay in and camp in all night, the White Sands National Park actually has a closing time and an opening time. So right now, from March 14th to April 10th, they open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Sunday. So just keep that in mind if you're going there. And the hours do change. Right here, when I pulled up, this is the Inner Dune Boardwalk. And it's going to be on the right-hand side when you enter the park. And you can bring strollers in here. And it's like children friendly. So if you have a stroller or a baby, I recommend going there. It's nice. You can take some nice pictures over there. Come here, I recommend, besides taking pictures and enjoying this beautiful scenery, going sledding. And you can purchase sleds at the gift shop if you don't have one. Again, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And I'll stop talking right now and I'll just let you guys enjoy the scenery. Alright. cruisers. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let me know where you want me to go see next. I'm planning on going to Utah soon, so just make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Alright, theAZcruiser out.